Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers. I wanted to stop back out here to shoot a final video on this project. This was an 8 King Pier project. This is a room addition here. And it had sunk, about an inch over on the west side, which we'll walk over now. And I'm just really impressed with, you cannot tell that anyone had done any work here, especially yesterday. Everything put back perfect. The homeowner chose to keep the dirt and he wanted it stockpiled right there, so that's where we stockpiled it for him. That saved him $800 in haul off. When you save the dirt, you're going to need it for future settlement, what have you. You have it right there. But you cannot even tell we were here. If you look at our previous videos on this job, yesterday and the day before, there were some big old holes here. So I'm very pleased. This is 5-star work, second to none. And love working out in these country homes. It's peaceful and quiet. This is over by the racetrack, over in Kansas City, Kansas, Wyandotte County. Beautiful out here. All right, Jim King, King Piers, 816-521-8915, or you can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.